Welcome in Hijazi News Update. A grand Iftar dinner was organized in honor of senior journalists at the Central Secretariat of the Central Muslim League Rawalpindi, in which the current situation in the country, prevention of growing terrorism, and the role of the media were discussed. The Iftar dinner was attended by Khalid Masood Sindhu, President of the Central Muslim League, Tabish Qayyum, spokesperson of the Pakistan Central Muslim League, Engineer Mobeen Siddiqui, Secretary General of the Central Muslim League Rawalpindi, and Abdul Qudus, media head of the Central Muslim League Rawalpindi, and other important figures. The event vowed to hold special training courses for journalists after Eid to promote modern media trend and responsible journalism. Similarly, discussions were also held on introducing digital courses in mosques, which will help in attracting youth towards positive activities. Leaders of the Central Muslim League emphasized the need for a coordinated strategy to prevent terrorism and highlighted the importance of mutual cooperation between the media, religious, and social circles in this regard.